AcroSquad. It's us, and today we're going to be baking something very special. Drum roll, please. Oreo brownies! Yay!
Not really.
So, what you need is a glass cup because you actually need it, but just be careful, okay? Because we're going to be microwaving. That's perfect. We need a fork. Oreos, pretty obvious. And the microwave and some milk. Because we need milk to make it. Okay. Okay guys, so the first step is the Oreos, but it's already open because we ate it a long time ago. That's okay. Okay, we need like 5 of the Oreos. You can use 7, but I'm using 5. Okay, I think that's too much, so I'm just gonna take 2 away. So yeah, as long as it's fit in your cup, it's great. Okay, next step. We need to get some milk, but I'm gonna go get the milk. Next, we're gonna have milk. Any kind of milk you want. Even almond milk, soy milk, any milk, okay? But you can add a little bit, okay? So, you just need to add a little bit. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna put the milk away now. Now we need to get the fork. Okay, now we're gonna smash it. So the milk needs to like dissolve in the Oreo. So you need to crush it with the fork. You can always add some more milk to make it more liquidy. I'm just doing that so it doesn't get on the fork too much. I think we need to add a little bit more milk because we add a little too much. Mine is getting better. You can always mix it like this. It's getting the way. It just takes a little while. So it needs to be like a batter. I know it looks very gross, but I promise you, it'll taste very good. Make sure all the crunches are gone. It has to look like this. It has to be like a batter. Sorry about the cup noise. Just need to smash that one. It's gonna take a little while, so you have to have some patience. Okay, I think it's done. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just gonna get a paper straight here, and I'm just gonna leave the fork. But you can use that after. Now we're gonna be putting it in the microwave. For about 60 seconds. How do you add it to 60 seconds?
Press 30 seconds twice. This button?
Wait. 2 times? Okay. Now we're gonna be waiting. Okay guys, so it's done now. It's gonna be a little hot. Ooh. Maybe need to take a little longer because maybe about like 1 more second.
30 more seconds?
Yeah, 30 more seconds. If it's not taking up, then you can always microwave it more, about 30 more seconds. If it just keep trying, don't give up. That's the tip. Okay guys, so it's finally done. So let's see it now. Hopefully this doesn't burn my hand. Okay, it actually looks like a cake now, but it's gonna be a little liquid. But that's a good thing, because that is the frosting. Now you gotta wait until it cools down. Alexa, set timer to 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, now we're gonna wait until it cool down and then the taste test. Okay guys, So the final step is to taste. It's actually very good. I recommend you to do this. The great texture. It's a great texture. Let me know if you did great success at home. Thank you for watching the video and give the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.